reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader. Good morning, Max and Toys.
Yes.
Come closer, robots and boys. Okay, Max, look at the number. We're doing lesson. Max, look at the number 64.
And I am Metro.
Oh, you're the metro train, subway train, underground train. Okay, Max, look at these sounds. All right, Max, take a good look at each sound. Say it slowly if you can. Don't get fooled. Are you ready? E, I, E. Oh, louder, please. A, ah, for umbrella. Wait. These sounds are hard to say when they're together. Listen, br, br. Sounds as if I'm cold. Brr, brr. And this is ing, ing. Put it together. Say it together.
Bring.
This is ing, Max. Bring, bring, br, bring. Okay. Can you sound out this word? This is br, br. Other.
Brother.
Brother, that's right. Max, do you have a brother?
Mother.
No, you don't. You have a
Mother.
sister.
Mother.
Oh, you already read mother. Wonderful.
Gather.
No, this is get. And this is ing. Getting. Getting. Sent. Sent. He sent me a present. This is remember, like brother. Her. That's right. Wonderful, Max.
You're her.
Yeah, yes, look at her. Word reading. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, look, there's a little plane and a pilot. Okay, Max, get ready to read these words the fast way. Okay.
Oh, what is it?
Do you remember this word?
No.
It says love. Love. I love you. Love. The next word. This sound is f. This is I. Read the fast way.
Five.
Find.
Find.
Find. What word is it? What word is that?
Love.
Love.
Find.
Find.
Get.
Oh, is it get? Are you sure?
Gave.
E. Give.
Give.
What word?
Give.
Okay, read this word again. Love.
Love.
Find.
Find.
Give. And this would be A. Gave. Okay, let's read the words again. Love. Find. Give. Gave.
Up.
Up. Well done.
Your bird.
B. Boy.
Boy.
Boy. You are a boy.
Got.
Got. Tail.
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 They.
They. Okay, let's go up. Max, let's go up.
Oh.
Okay, sounds. Okay, slowly. Say them slowly. O. O. E. I. All right, can you read the words again the fast way? Shall we read them together? Or can you do it by yourself?
It can be like this, or I can be like this.
That's right. It can be E or I, right? Can you read the words the fast way? Here, hold my stick. Point to the words and read them the fast way. Max, read the words, then we'll read a new story. Are you ready? Read the words the fast way. Maybe these words, the words, not the sounds. Hello. Good morning.
Yes.
Okay, what word? What word is it? Here, hold it like this. What word? Did you forget already?
Love.
Love. Well done. Love. Good remembering. Find. Give. Gave. Up. Boy. Got. Tail. They. What word?
They.
They.
Not
Yeah.
then.
Not then. Not them. It's they. If you look at the sounds, if you look at the letters, you will see they. All right, let's read the story. Are you ready? All right, robots and Max. You have two robots with you?
Andre and
Max.
Max.
Max, will they help you read the story? Okay, read the title of the story. Do you remember that the title of a story tells what the story is about?
Card for mother.
Yes.
A card for mother.
That's right. It says a card for mother. So, what's the story about?
A card for mother.
Okay, a card for mother. Let's read the story.
That's a story.
There's a picture, yeah. Oh, can you see the picture already? A little bit? No peeking. Let's read the story first.
A boy
Put your arm like this down.
sent
That's right. A boy sent
card to his mama.
mother.
Mother.
Okay, mother. So what did a boy send? He sent a card for
mother.
his mother. Okay.
Card said Mama,
Mother.
mother, I love
Yes.
you.
You. But
But his mother did not get
the
the card.
Okay, Max, wait. What did the card say? What did the card say? The card said, Mother, I love you. What did the card say?
Mother, I love
I
you.
love you. Did Mother get the card?
No.
Did his mom get the card?
No.
No, it says here, but his mother did not get the card. Okay, let's read some more and find
Where
out
is
why.
it? Where? Here?
We stopped right there. Eh?
A cup
Got.
the card.
Max, who got the card?
He
Max, who got the card?
a boy.
No, read again. Eh? Cop got the card. So who got the card?
A cup.
And who is a cop? A policeman, yes? A policeman. A cop got the card. Okay. He said. The cop, yeah? He said.
I am not mother. So he
Gave
the card to his mother.
Brother. So who did he give the card to?
To a brother.
To his brother. Okay, the boy's his brother.
His
To the
Bro-
cop's brother, yeah.
brother
His brother
said,
said,
this card is not for me. I am not mother.
good reading.
So the cop and his brother went to find mother.
Okay, where did they go? To find
Mother.
mother. Okay. They met. They met.
The boy.
Boy. Max, whom did they meet?
A boy.
The boy. And whom were they looking for? Who were they
Mom.
looking for? Mother. And they met a boy. Okay.
The boy said, you
Have
a
the
the card
that.
that where is
Yeah, you're right there. That I
I
sent
went to
mother.
mother. Give me that card.
Wait, Max, what did the boy say? He said, you have the card that I sent to mother. And what else did he say? Give me that card. Do you think the cop and his brother will give the boy the card?
I think.
Let's read and find out,
We're
okay?
here.
Yeah, that's what he said. See quotation
We're
marks.
here?
We finished right there. Yeah.
We're now.
So,
So?
let's find out if they will give him the card or not. So,
This?
they. So they sound out the word. Gave, that's right.
Him
Mm-hmm.
the card.
Did they give him a card? Did they give the boy the card?
Yes.
Yes, they gave him the card.
But he said no.
What? And finish the story.
He gave
Mm-hmm.
the card to his mother. This is the end.
Okay. Max, what did the boy do? What did the boy do? Read the last sentence. And he gave the card to his mother. So what did the boy do?
This is
The end. What did the boy do?
this.
Answer my question. Young man, what did the boy do? He gave? Look at me. I can only see your head. What did the boy do?
Yeah. For mother.
A mother. Okay. You ready to see the picture? Ta-da! Here is the picture. So, who is in that picture, Max? Who is in that picture?
A boy.
And his mother and a card that he made, yes? I think he made it by himself. Maybe he bought the card or maybe he made it by himself. What do you think that card says? What do you think that card says? You know what the card says. Mother, I love you. So what does the card say?
Mother, I
Love you. Did you ever send a pretty card to your mother?
No.
No, maybe you should make a pretty card for your mommy. And who is your mommy? Say, you are my mommy.
You.
You are my mommy. So who is your mommy, Max?
You.
You are my mommy. You want to give me a hug? Yay! Mwah, and a kiss. Mwah. All right, Max, we have to write... Oh, thank you for your kiss. We have to write and w. Okay, like brother, mother, Thank you for kissing me. Okay, let me teach you to write like mother, brother, in the end of the word her. You can write her, wait, like this. You write huh, and then her. Let's just do Mother, brother, can you trace? This is and this is r, yeah, and together they make Well done. And what? Okay, you know how to write what? Down, up, down, up. That's w for watermelon. Winter starts with w. We starts with w. Can you trace w again? Or write it by yourself? Down, up, down, up. Well done. Good reading, Max. I'm so proud of you. Max, what was today's story about? Do you remember? Or did you forget the story already?
A card.
A card.
And that's the little miss there.
Oh, little miss. Okay. Who made the card? Or who sent the card? The boy, right?
Yes.
The boy. Oh, who was the card to?
Mom.
Who was it for? For his mother, for his mama. Okay, and who found the card?
Boy.
A cop, yeah? A policeman found the card. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.